Are you dreaming of retiring in paradise? Well, you're not alone. Many people dream of living their golden years in a beautiful and affordable location. In this video, we will present you with 10 countries where you can retire comfortably in 2023. Our list includes countries from all over the world, so whether you want to retire near the beach, in a bustling city, or the mountains, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know which country you're most excited to retire in. Let's start with one of the most popular retirement destinations, Mexico. Retiring in Mexico has become a popular choice for many due to its warm climate, reasonable prices, and proximity to the U.S. So if you're a U.S. citizen looking for a retirement adventure, you don't have to stress about long-distance travel to get back home. To begin your Mexican retirement journey, you'll need to secure a temporary resident visa from a Mexican consulate. To qualify, you'll need to demonstrate that you can financially support yourself, which means proving that you have a minimum monthly income of $1,400. After 4 years, you can apply to convert your visa into a permanent residency permit. Furthermore, Mexico boasts both public and private medical facilities, with some even collaborating with U.S. and Canadian health insurance companies, so you can keep your coverage. Number 9. Portugal. Portugal is one of the most budget-friendly countries in Europe. With a high level of English proficiency, especially in the main cities and coastal areas, you'll have no trouble communicating with friendly locals. You can soak up the sun at the gorgeous Algarve beaches, indulge in the finest wine in Porto, and explore the historical city of Lisbon. The Portuguese government has recently made it easier for expats to settle down by relaxing residency requirements and taxes. If you're looking to retire in Portugal, you can apply for a temporary residency visa, which is a piece of cake. The requirements are minimal, and the application process is relatively inexpensive, making it a viable option for most. This visa is valid for 1 year and can be renewed twice for another 2 years. After living in Portugal for 5 years, you may apply for permanent residency and even Portuguese citizenship, provided that you still meet the requirements. So, what are you waiting for? Portugal is calling your name. Number 8. Malta. Located in the Mediterranean Sea, just 60 miles from Sicily and north of Africa, this hidden gem is often overlooked by North Americans. But trust us, it's worth considering. With 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and English as the primary language, you'll feel right at home in Malta. Plus, according to the World Health Organization, Malta has one of the top 5 healthcare systems in the world, so you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. And if you're a diving enthusiast, you'll love exploring the hundreds of caves and shipwrecks that make Malta one of the best diving spots in the world. Don't forget to sample the delicious seafood, local cheeses, and sausages while you're there. All in all, a visit to Malta might just make you consider retiring to this fascinating country. Another popular destination for retirees is Thailand. For an exotic and budget-friendly retirement adventure, look no further than Thailand. This tropical paradise offers retirees some of the most stunning beaches in the world, coupled with a low cost of living. And the best part? Thailand has a retirement visa program that's available for foreigners over 50 years old. You can apply for it in Thailand, at a Royal Thai Embassy or overseas consulate. To be eligible, you need to show that you have an adequate income from outside of Thailand or deposit 800,000 Thai bahts, which is roughly $24,000, in a Thai bank. While there's no formal definition of adequate income, it's generally understood to be around $1,500 per month. The retirement visa is valid for 1 year and can be easily renewed annually. And here's the kicker. You can either process the paperwork and pay about $80, or seek the help of an attorney who will charge between $300 to $400. So, what are you waiting for? Retire in style and on a budget in beautiful Thailand. 6. If you like a change of seasons but not bitter cold, Ireland may be right for your retirement. This beautiful country offers a change of seasons without the bitter cold, making it the perfect place for retirees seeking a moderate climate. Ireland has been named one of the best places to retire by International Living, thanks to its affordable healthcare, low cost of living, and stable government. But that's not all. There's plenty to do in the Emerald Isle. From biking to exploring national parks, you'll never be bored in Ireland. And let's not forget about the fun-loving pubs and unique food that will make your retirement all the more enjoyable. Next, Chile. This vibrant country boasts a corruption-free and stable environment that's among the best in the Americas, making it a haven for expats. Sure, the cost of living in Chile might be a tad higher than in other Latin American countries, but trust us, it's worth it. Especially for retirees from North America and Europe who'll find they can stretch their dollars further than at home. Not to mention, Chile's living standards are top-notch, with modern infrastructure and access to quality public health care. And if that wasn't enough, Chile also has a retirement visa program that makes it a breeze to become a resident. All you gotta do is show that you have a regular source of income to support yourself and your loved ones living in Chile. So, why wait? Come to Chile and experience the good life in one of the friendliest and most stable countries in the Americas. Number 4. If you're ready to trade in harsh winters for sun-soaked beaches and stunning mountain views, Spain might be your ideal retirement destination. This country has everything from charming small towns to bustling cities, all waiting to be explored. To retire in Spain as a non-EU citizen, you'll need a non-working residence visa, also known as a non-lucrative visa. While it doesn't allow you to work, it does provide a path to residency. To qualify, you'll need to demonstrate that you have the financial resources to support yourself and your dependents without working. This typically means proving a minimum monthly income, such as from pensions or investments, of at least $2,500 and an additional $500 per dependent. Once you have your non-lucrative visa, you can renew it every 2 years until you qualify for permanent residency after 5 years in the country. So pack your bags and get ready to start your Spanish adventure. Number 3. Argentina. Retiring in Argentina can be a dream come true, especially for those who seek affordability and cultural diversity. With breathtaking landscapes like the Andes Mountains, glacial lakes, and vast pampas, there's no shortage of things to explore. And let's not forget about Buenos Aires, a city that boasts rich architecture, art, and food. To get a retirement visa, all you need is a steady monthly income of at least $1,100. With that, you can apply for the Pensionado or Rentista residency visa, which is valid for 1 year and renewable for up to 3 years. And who knows? Maybe you'll love Argentina so much that you'll want to become a citizen. Number 2. Greece. Dreaming of a retirement filled with sunshine, blue skies, and sparkling seas? Look no further than Greece. Sure, the country has faced its share of economic struggles in recent years, with austerity measures taking a toll on its economy. But don't let that scare you away from this paradise on earth. As long as you're financially self-sufficient, Greece still has plenty to offer. And if you're a Brit, you're in luck. You guys account for the largest number of overseas visitors to Greece and have been snatching up bargain-priced holiday and retirement properties for decades now. So come live the life portrayed in films like Mamma Mia and soak up all that Greece has to offer. You won't regret it. Number 1, our list is Mauritius. Mauritius is a retiree's paradise that draws folks from all corners of the globe with its stunning scenery, secluded locales, and chill vibes. If you're one of those who dream of spending your golden years in this slice of heaven, there's good news. The residency permit makes retiring in Mauritius a real possibility for many. The deal is you gotta transfer at least $1,500 per month from your personal bank account in your homeland to your personal bank account in Mauritius to be eligible. But that's a small price to pay for the opportunity to live in paradise for 10 years. And the cherry on top? You can renew your visa indefinitely if you meet the financial requirements and show that you regularly transfer money to Mauritius. Not to mention, your loved ones can tag along for the ride since this visa covers your family too. So, pack your bags and prepare for your dream retirement in Mauritius. And that's a wrap. These are just some of the countries where you can retire comfortably in 2023. Each country offers unique advantages and different lifestyles. It's up to you to choose the one that fits your preferences the most. We hope this video has given you some inspiration for your retirement plans. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle content. Thank you for watching.